Maytag washer model MVWC565FW0. Agitator moves very slow in small jumps. Basket spins with no problem and water drains with no issue. I have already replaced the cam assembly and still no resolution.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading. About 2 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
Just started. I have replaced the cam assembly.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is would be happy to help you. Have you removed the agitator to see if it's stripped on the bottom?
No.
Sorry, that's the site trying to call you, not me, just ignore it. Have you removed the agitator to see if it's stripped on the bottom?
Is the removal just by pulling the nut in the center? It's a single-piece agitator.
There is a cap you have to remove, then remove the 7/16 bolt holding it on. Then pull the agitator straight up and off. Are you still there?
Trying to remove the agitator. It's on pretty tight.
Try using channel locks.
There's only one bolt and it is inside the agitator shaft. Not sure how I can get channel locks on. Is there a way to secure the basket from spinning while trying to remove the bolt?
I normally use a hammer to tap the socket and break the bolt loose. Did you get it loose?
I have the bolt out, but the agitator does not lift off. Is there anything else I need to do to get the agitator out?
No, it's stuck on, from all the detergent on it. Take a pot of boiling water and pour it on the agitator, it will come loose.
Okay.
Let me know what happens.
Finally got the agitator out. I found there was a couple pieces of cloth that were wedged between the bottom and the agitator base. The agitator spline cylinder looks okay. No evidence stripping.
That's great. That would cause this. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is Customer. Hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me.
Thanks. I will put everything back together and see if it's fixed.
Please give me a good rating.
After putting everything back together, problem still remains.
Have you put the machine in diagnostics to check for fault codes?
No. Tried uploading video, but don't see it.
I will send you a link. It will look different, but it goes in diagnostics the same way. https://u2.b/ykioxfug9c.
Okay. Trying now.
Okay, thanks.
Ran diagnostics but no error codes. Sensing light just flashes, no others.
Okay, thanks. Now go back into diagnostics, left, right, left, right. Then when everything flashes, turn the knob till spin and done or lid and press start. Then press start again to lock the lid. Then turn the knob counterclockwise 1 click and it should be agitating.
Okay. Lid is locked, turn knob counterclockwise and wash and rinse lights turned on, but no agitation.
Press start.
Wash and rinse lights flashing but still no agitation.
Okay, do you hear anything?
No. There was just now a click and now the lock is off and all lights are out. Should I try diagnostic test again?
Okay, it sounds like the control board or actuator is faulty.
How can I tell which one? Is control board most likely?
The fact that there are no codes means the actuator is good. There would be a code for that. So I would look for a broken wire at the motor and actuator.
The main drum motor, or the small motor which activates the cam assembly?
Both.
I tried diagnostics mode again and now I'm getting two codes, F7 sensing, rinse, spin and done lit, and E6 rinse and spin lit.
Okay, thanks. So this means a broken wire at the motor, or a faulty motor.
Replaced actuator and the problem is solved. Not sure why error codes of F7 and E6.
Very unusual. I'm glad it's working though.
Far no more problems.
That's great.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.